Hey guys, it's Alan the Fireman 1028, and today we're coming to you with not a motorcycle video, not a truck video, not an install video, but a computer video. So I know we had talked previously about really upgrading our setup as far as for video and audio. Well, that also goes for our editing too. So our old MacBook One that we had was just not up to the task anymore. Of being able to, being able to edit videos and really produce quality content, which is what I'm trying to do. So we decided to upgrade to it's the 2024 model, but it's a M3 MacBook Air. Spec this one out with 24 gigs of RAM and a 512 gig hard drive. So let's, I always loved MacBooks, packaging. This is the 13-inch Air with the M3 chip. But even since my first MacBook was I bought in 2009, and honestly that would still be running had my son not spilled coffee on it. So I look at their computers as more of an investment. But even with that, the cost of this one was, I think it was with tax and everything, it was a little over $1,300, which honestly for the specs that you're getting, it's really not that bad at all. So let's get to the opening. So my favorite part of a MacBook opening is this right here. The tear across on both sides. Every company could learn a thing or two from Apple on how they do their packaging. Everything. The boxes are nice and sturdy. Everything comes in this nice tight packaging. So like I said, this is the black version. I don't know what the name of it is. I know the M3, I purposely went for the M3 versus the M2 because supposedly they changed the anodizing that they were putting on the outside, which did not attract as many fingerprints. Of course, I've got a case that I'm putting on this, so that really won't be an issue. From my M1 MacBook, I can tell this one they're both 13-inch. This thing is a 13.3. This one feels a little bit heavier than my previous MacBook, and we will do a side-by-side comparison of those. But like I said, everything they do in their packaging is just top-notch. So I've been really impressed with the M chips. Like I said, my M1 MacBook. I've done quite a bit of things on that, and it's just kind of outgrown it. But very rarely ever have any thermal throttling with that MacBook. And so I expect the 24 gigs that we're putting in this, or that was put into this, to really benefit us for editing and everything down the road. So stay tuned. So while the computer's setting itself up, let's see what's inside the box. So first off, we have the braided MagSafe to USB-C cable. A previous one had the USB-C to USB-C cable, and it wasn't bad, but if you only had the two ports, which the MacBook Air did, then you only have one port to do anything else. I did end up getting a hub for that, which freed up a little bit, or added a little bit more capacity, but it still wasn't enough. So you got all your literature there. You've got your again, I love their packaging, just simple stuff like that. You've got your brick adapter. One thing I have read from previous from other folks is that this charger here does not actually, if you're doing really high intensive applications, that it will not keep up with the charge. But I really don't think that's going to be an issue with what we're doing. So with the MagSafe, which I had on my first MacBook, and this, I think that'd be a good option. I'm glad they went back to the MagSafe, because the one where you plug into the side, a dog comes along or somebody comes along and trips over your cord, I've had it rip the laptop out of my hands. So with MagSafe, it's nice and simple. It just plugs right into the side, and that's it. So, and it pops right off, piece of cake. So let's see what else is in the box. That's it. All right, guys, well, that's it. That's all that comes in the box. They don't give you anything else. You get your charger, you get the braided cable, and you get a little bit of a little envelope of stuff here. So let's look inside here and see what they gave us. I remember they used to give you some cool stickers. So just a little bit of information on the laptop itself, the different features of it. Some more paperwork that nobody cares about. And that's it. No stickers at all. So that's literally all that came in the packaging. All right, so let's go over the laptop itself. So like I said, really the only ports you get is you get the MagSafe, you get the 2 lightning ports, and now they have gone back to adding the audio jack, which they had done away with for a while. Again, I love I just love the simplicity. I love the design of the MacBooks. I think they're really nice. Let's open it back up here, and let's keep going with our setup. And yes, we are definitely going to migrate. So again, like I said, MacBook Air 3, MacBook Air M3 chip, 512 gig hard drive, and 24 gigs of RAM. So I think this MacBook should do us well for a long time to come, and I'm excited to make some more content. So thanks for checking us out.